welcome back to the garden. So today I've got another tropical transformation tour video for you. So this is Ben's garden. This garden is up in Worcestershire. Now this is only again a couple of years old and it's an absolute beaut. Just quickly on it, I asked Ben what was his top 5 favourite plants. So Ben said by far his bananas are the favourite. So you've got the red ensete and the musa bajoo, the green banana. He loves the tree ferns and the Hawaiian Colocasia, which is a blue variety, one of which I'm actually hoping to add into the collection for me next year. Bootia jali palm and also the jubaea palm. Now interestingly enough, I asked him what is the one plant that you wouldn't grow again, and he went ahead and said it was a snake's head. And that's a term I've not heard for this plant, but it's actually the persicaria, and the reason behind it is because he was saying it's so invasive in the garden that it was beginning to take over everything. And that's something that we don't actually bear in mind when it comes to this style of gardening. Although these plants are beautiful, they're quite renowned for spreading and in places that we don't really want them. So Ben has currently got some drainage issues that he's working through, and he's actually completely changing the layout of his garden for 2025, and it's one that we're hopefully going to go up and see him, and I'll bring you guys along to see as well. But without further ado, let's get into this brilliant transformation. There we have it. What a beautiful transformation. And I hope you don't mind me mentioning, Ben, but you've only been gardening for a couple of years, and again, hats off to you. This is something that can be done with a little bit of time, a little bit of money and a lot of imagination. So take a bow, mate. You've done really well. We'll see you later on this season, and until next time, guys, I'll see you in the garden.